Come on, hero. Walk tall.
Die!
Not so big now, are you?
One day, I'm gonna try and jump over.
Hi. You want to kiss me?
So,
This
Jimmy,
is going to be good.
what are you waiting? You do have some uses. What the hell are you doing here?
Looking for you, Zoe. I think I'm in love.
Don't be ridiculous! Haven't you heard?
Heard what, my
The
love?
school has broken out into a massive fight. Every gang and faction is fighting each other.
What?
Yeah!
Oh man, I gotta go. How am I gonna deal with this? I'm gonna need some serious backup. Where's Russell? Where's your buddy Edgar?
Russell has been holed up in the Wonder Meat slaughterhouse, hiding from the cops. He's worried about going to prison after stealing that bike.
Russell can comprehend prison? Wow. Look, I'll see you later.
Well, what about love?
It'll have to wait, Zoe. Duty calls.
Stop! I'm an officer of the law! You're doing it right now, kid! Those who trespass get my boot in their ass! Jimmy, there you are.
Wonder why no one picked this up.
Can't go on. What are you hiding from? I'm here for your safety. Thanks, Jimmy.
Come on, we gotta get to the school. All hell's breaking loose.
Hey, Jim, this is your turf. What the hell's going on? The whole place has gone mental.
Yeah, it's your old friend Gary. He's the one causing all the trouble. The kid's a complete psycho, and now he's got the teachers and prefects on his side. So, we run in there, try to stop the fighting, and find a way to deal with Gary.
All right, one question. How are we gonna stop a load of kids from beating the crap out of each other?
It's America! We go in there with threats and bribes until we get what we want. If all else fails, we beat the crap out of everyone. That's why I brought along backup.
Russell likes to hurt people for peace.
Cool.
Then it's a plan. Damn! They're locked!
Don't worry, Russell will get it. That kinda hurt.
Edgar, we'll take out the gang leaders. Without them, Gary's got nothing. Ernest, you nerd! What were you thinking?
You don't see it! Gary's got a plan! Great plan!
You idiot! Gary's plans are a load of crap! I should know!
You don't get it! My rate is lack of morals. Nothing can stop us!
Whatever! I'm gonna stop
Don't worry, boys. I'll deal with him.
You're getting really tiresome, Darby. Cut it out.
Smash you! Smash you!
I'm releasing fresh power on your touch.
Destroy! Kiss my fist!
Don't you dare spill a drop of my blue blood!
You like a little school spirit.
Russell smash! Russell was the barbarian king 1,000 years ago. Destroy! Destroy!
Oh my daddy! Oh my lord!
The machine is out of
Destroy! Destroy! Kiss my fist!
I learned this move from my dad! I ain't scared of you!
You won't escape me!
You're going down hard, pal! I keep going for it. Come on! You wanna get real now? No fear! I got your basics! Come on!
Ted, I need you to help me.
Get lost, Jimmy. You ain't nothing.
You're just asking for it.
Stick back.
You like that, ain't you?
Look at the water boy. Call the trainer.
Kiss my fist! You ever squeeze Moby too hard?
You best to be.
Destroy! Destroy! No, Russell! I'm gonna punch your face in the back of their head when I catch you! Smash you! Smash you!
What is that?
I've got a piece of
Gaining on you, and it's only a matter of time now.
Don't get off that top!
It doesn't get any better than this.
What the hell are you doing, Johnny? Why are you taking orders from Gary?
Shut up, Jimmy! You left us and everything went down the toilet!
I beat you once, I'll beat you again.
Crush! Kill! Destroy!
So, maybe you can fight.
Come and get it!
Come on, hero.
You're finished, you bunch of bitches!
Incredibly satisfying. Edgar, go help everyone calm down. I've got some business with Gary.
Understood. Good luck. Weapons are for prefects only. No! Get off my little body! Slow down so Russell can smash you.
Aw, come on.
Your attention, please! Jimmy is complete human trash!
Gary, you little bitch! Come out!
I've been waiting. Let the games begin.
Gary!
Moron!
on!
Why'd you do it, Gary?
Why not? I won! I tricked everyone! Starting with you, the head, the loser kids in town, and the prefects. Me! I won!
You are sad, man.
I might be sad, but I run your world, moron! And don't you forget it! You did all my dirty work for me, Hopkins. You're like a puppet, only dumber!
Whatever. Let's finish this.
Got something for ya. If you prove to me one thing this year, it's slow. You'll never catch me, Hopkins. You're too trusting, Jimmy. From the start, you were pathetically naive. Poor little Jimmy, all alone in big, scary Bullworth, under fire from Russell and his goons. Desperate. So sad, so hopeless, just needing a friend, any friend. You were so easy to manipulate, Jimmy, and once we were friends, it was all so clear. You had your lust for power, but without intelligence to back it up. Using you as a pawn was so wonderfully obvious. Let Jimmy have his fun. Let him play his childish little games with Ernest, Ted, Darby, Johnny, and Edgar, and just wait for the right moment to swoop in and take it all. It was like flying young dolphins. They all felt together so perfectly. Wasting your time with whores like that. I was in the doorway planning, while you were racing bikes, while you were playing at the carnival like a child. My plan was coming together. The thing is, if I win, you're just another punk! You win, and you'll be sent away even quicker for beating up the head boy!
Why'd you do it, Gary?
Because I can! Because making little people like you and the morons who run this place eat out of the palm of my hand feels great!
But I never did anything to you!
You would've if I'd given you the chance! Face it, I'm smarter than you!
Oh, congratulations! You're smarter than me! You hate everyone and everyone hates you! Genius!
The head likes me! I tied him up, turned his dog school into a battleground, got kids expelled unfairly, put several others into therapy, and he still likes me!
You're such a loser!
Well, at least my mom doesn't make her living on her back!
You're dead!
Whoa! I can take you, Hopkins! Any regrets, Jimmy?
Scram!
After you're expelled from here,
Out of my way! Are you gonna start fighting soon?
Smith! I heard the whole thing! You're expelled! Come and untie me, boy!
Yes, sir! Sorry, didn't see you there.
You know, I think I may have judged you too unfairly, boy. Yes, a little rough around the edges, but you're a diamond, boy. A diamond.
Thank you, sir.
Now take out the trash, would you, Hopkins?
My pleasure.
So it was you who took on this monstrous little wretch, was it?
Yep.
What a hero! A lone wolf!
Well, no. To be honest, sir, I did have a lot of help from some friends. Like this girl, Zoe. She got expelled because she complained about Mr. Burton hitting on her.
Burton? Well, he's fired! I hope he rots in hell!
And a guy named Peter Kowalski, good friend of mine.
Never heard of him.
Yeah, well, he keeps quiet. He's kind of shy.
Shy? The boy must be a genius. Why, he should be head of the school.
Pete? Great idea. Now about that letter to my mother.
What letter?
Finally, everything is sorted out, more or less. I mean, I don't want to say we're going to live happily ever after or anything like that, but life is certainly going to get easier.